What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. As you can see, I'm not in my usual studio. This is the background of where I actually live in the Fiji Islands. So that's for those who didn't know. Today's video is gonna be super dope. It's gonna be about magic links, and I can only give you a few ideas which I have on it, but the possibilities with it are honestly endless, and you can do so much amazing things with it. I'm just very excited about it. So yeah, let's jump straight into it. Now, for those who don't know me, my name is Asta. I own Limitless Marketing, a local marketing agency. I'm also the director of communications for Chatbot Builder AI, the world's fastest growing chatbot building platform that has helped so many individuals way younger than me make a fat bag and really level up the whole game. I believe that using platforms which overpromise and underdeliver really spoils the market for a lot of us, especially when the clients have a better experience and they get the seed planted in the mind that chatbots are rubbish and not good. That is absolutely not true. We have generated for one of our clients close to $500,000 within 3.5 weeks. I can't say what client, but just like 30 numbers out there to give you an idea that there is massive value in this. And I believe that if you focus on the value set of things for your clients, then everything else just kind of falls into place. So always focus on generating the most value you can for your customers, your clients, and then the rest just kind of, works out. But if you try and focus on trying to make that bag without providing any real value to your customers or clients, using unreliable software, etc., then it's going to be a really tough, rough road for you. Now, especially with the whole Meta web chat gone, this is going to be an absolute opportunity for all of us here, because CBB offers that, and business owners are going to need something like that. So you're filling a massive gap in the market, and you're extremely early. So I urge you, please take action, use the right tools, be in the right communities, be surrounded by the right people who genuinely want you to grow, want you to do better, and not drag you down. Now, without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, we have a brand new account here with Chatbot Builder AI. I'm going to click on web chat, and we're going to name this one Magic Links. Magic Links. Now, as this is loading, I'm not like a huge YouTuber or anything. I just have fun, and I focus on providing as much value as I possibly can. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. But yes, let's continue with this. So you'll find magic links in marketing. So click on marketing, magic links. Almost got away from me there. Now all you gotta do is just add a link, and let's name this one promotion. And then for the URL, I'm gonna go over to my Facebook. This is a friend of mine's business. Share to a group. Let me share this. What happens if I just grab the link up here, paste this into a new one? Okay, yeah. So let's just go to URLs and paste this in here. Bam. So now you have this right here. You got the fixed link, which is promotions, which is the name that we won't change. And we have dynamic links. What does that mean? It means that, for example, here, as you can see, you can get a link or get a QR code, right? Bam. Now I'll explain the magic behind this right now. So let's say, for example, let me grab the link for this. Get link. Let me open up our new tab, paste it in, and see where it takes me. Boom. It takes me right to this promotion right here. 20 days to go, opening of some more offers. Now, let's say, for example, you have it printed as a QR code for any business, your clients or anything really, and you paste it at the front of a wall, or you paste it in like a really busy area. You can have that QR code update every week with a different promotion that they have in mind. So for example, today I clicked on this and I get 20 days left to go. Let's click on this one. This is 30 days. So let's say, okay, we've got a new promotion. I come in here, I click on edit, and I just change the URL. Continue. Now let's say someone comes by this week and they simply want to rescan and check it out, see what's new. Rather than going to the actual place, ripping off the QR code, printing a new one out, pasting it on, going through all the trouble, I just have to do this. And just like that, 30 days to go. Boom. I mean, if that isn't just like absolute magic. Now, the magic links are such a game changer. I mean, you could have them on buses, you could have them in locations, and really have it updated. So what I would do is, for my personal use, I'd reach out to a business and say, look, you constantly have these promotions. Or actually, I'll go up to a business and say, look, you constantly have events going on, different events, and each time that you have an event going on, you're trying to sell these tickets. So people need to get in touch. They need to scan your QR code to buy these tickets online. And it's always a pain if you're putting up QR codes all around the area, and then ripping it off after like a week or two after the event and putting it up again. So why not simply do this? Head on over to them, grab the link to the event that you usually would be redirected to when scanning a QR code, and run it through this. And all that would happen is, each week, you say, for example, on the Facebook group, you can say, oh, event update, or scan the QR code at the same location, a very busy location, right? Let's say McDonald's or wherever it's very busy or crowded. And all they gotta do is every week they can scan, purchase a ticket, and when the next event is on, announcement goes out, they just go back, scan, purchase a ticket, and so on and so forth. And so that we completely remove the need for even having to put QR codes put on the wall every single week or every single month or whatever it is. So the dynamic magic links are absolutely powerful, especially, for example, if you have a brochure, right, with let's say different services that you offer. If you have this brochure printed, let's say 1,000 and distributed around, and they're of high quality, they got QR codes to be scanned with information about a service, or like, for example, it's being very vague and say scan this QR code for services, rather than having to print out that brochure every single time, 1,000 times, that's money going down the drain. You simply can just update the magic link. And so if someone, and I give you an even better one, what I would do, actually this is something, matter of fact, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to get a business card done with a QR code, and that's going to display all of my services. Now, if I have new services that I'm offering, or if I'm removing services, I can just update the code. Like, I can just update the link, and it's super easy. Literally, I mean, you've seen it. All I gotta do is head on in, click on these 3 buttons, click on edit, get QR code. Not even that, just click on edit, and done. So, I hope you can think of amazing ways to use the magic links. Be creative, be experimental. I would say go to a business, pitch them this service, put a QR code outside, or even ask them, are you having QR codes printed, on an occasional basis? And do you want to, have a much more cost-efficient solution? Rather than printing it every week, what we can do is we can just update the link in it. So, yeah, I hope this video was insightful. I hope this was valuable. It is a short one, mainly going over magic links. And if you have any questions, shoot them down below in the comment section. Thank you again for your time, and I'll catch you in the next video.